into it.
What's your favorite, Carly? The strawberries or the blueberries or the cupcakes?
Cupcake.
Is that your favorite? What's Grandpa's favorite?
I like this one.
And button pie.
Do I need a napkin to wipe my face off?
Pie.
Oh, yes, a napkin. That's for wiping your face
Do I
off.
need a napkin? Oops. Did they fall on the floor? Here, I'll get a napkin to wipe my face with.
That's good. Oh, you just ruined it forever.
You taking
That
movies?
big old beard.
Are you taking movies? Huh?
You gonna eat with a spoon or a fork? Which one?
I'll probably eat.
Are you gonna feed me? There, I'll have a
Hey,
piece.
Papa.
What about the baby?
And puppy.
What?
A
And
burp.
puppy.
A burpee.
And puppy.
You had a burpee. Oh, your daddy taught you that, didn't he?
And try puppy.
Charlie burp.
Could I have some tea?
And puppy.
Could I have some tea, please?
I don't know. She's still giving you apple pie.
Could
Yum.
I have some tea, please? If I get a cup, will you pour me some? Will you pour me some?
Grandpa's thirsty.
Can
Where's
you
the
pour
tea?
me some tea?
Oh, you gonna stir it?
And Papa. And baby. Adorably. So, what? Baby bear.
What? Already?
And
Watch Baby Bear.
what?
Masha and the Bear. What made you think of that?